Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Ram Mounts Tough Claw Trolling Motor Stabilizer. We're going to do a quick demo to show you the features and how to have it installed for your trolling motor. At the top we have the claw, which can clamp to round or square shaped rails and bars between 0.625 inches to 1.14 inches in outer diameter. Using the knob, you can loosen or tighten the grip easily. And we have a double socket arm that can be adjusted from 2 points to cater to the angle and direction you need. And then at the base there is a round plate that you can bolt down onto your boat deck. So you can see here we already have this bolted right onto the boat deck, and we have inserted the trolling motor into the clamp. Once it clamps onto the trolling motor rod, you can use the knob to tighten, and then it's solid and secure. It won't shake or slip out. And to remove the trolling motor, simply loosen the knobs and lift out your trolling motor rod. You can see it's very easy and quick to use. This is made of powder-coated marine-grade aluminum and high-strength composite, and it also comes with a lifetime warranty.